Thank you very much. I must thank Vipul for having given us this opportunity to come and share the experiences that other states are doing on the very valuable aspect of safety, surveillance and security. As you know that the cyberspace, as it is called now, it has expanded. It's like a ocean, and all kind of individuals are operating in this, good or bad, where it has given opportunities for good intentioned individuals to work, collaborate, connect, and compete for the betterment. It also has given opportunity to the so-called inimical forces. I don't have to specifically name them, you understand them, whether they are anti-nationals or economic offenders or any kind of people, that they also can utilize this cyberspace opportunity to really bring a lot of damage to the system. Other issue is that whether what we are putting in the cyberspace, whether it's our personal information, organization, or the government information, is it safe from someone else misusing it? There are a lot of issues in this. I can, from my little experience, I can tell you that everything on the cyberspace is not absolutely safe and secure. So there is a need that we take effective measures, whether in terms of protocols, software development to counter these forces, or even think 2 steps ahead of these people who are out to damage the system. Today, as the economy is expanding, as the world is shrinking, various kind of players are coming up. As I said, not very favorable to the public order or security and whatever. So we must need to move away from traditional system of security, from the normal crime control system to the more effective one where we use the technology. As the number that the population is so much that humanly now it is not possible to track each and every activity, transaction that is happening in the cyberspace. So need now is to use technology so that we have more automatic system. It may not be a perfect substitute for the human intelligence, but still the routine kind of a work that a person is supposed to do, and some kind of intelligence system which is developed, it put to use in tracking the crime and who are out to damage our security. I guess I am not an expert in security. I just happen to be the principal secretary of the Home Department, whose one of the the responsibility is the internal security and law and order and policing and all those things. We like to hear from the expert, but some of the issues which I have flagged is how we use the information technology to counter crime, to prevent crime, and provide a sense of security and safety to the citizen. With these few words, I think I open the discussion for in this today's session, and welcome all the distinguished participants who are on the dais to share their views. Thank you very much.